If you run an online store, you already know how powerful email marketing can be. It drives repeat sales, nurtures loyal customers, and keeps your brand top of mind. But choosing the right tool can make or break your results. Two names that often come up in that conversation are Klaviyo and Drip. Both are built for e-commerce. Both automate like pros, and both promise high returns on every email sent. The real question is, which one gives your store the best return on investment? Let's start with Klaviyo. This platform has become the go-to email and SMS tool for e-commerce brands, especially those using Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. The reason is simple. Klaviyo was built from the ground up to use customer data intelligently. It pulls purchase history, browsing behavior, and engagement data directly from your store, letting you segment audiences with incredible precision. You can send different messages to first-time buyers, repeat customers, or people who just browsed and left without purchasing. Klaviyo's automation tools are where it really shines. You can easily set up flows for abandoned carts, post-purchase follow-ups, win-back campaigns, and product recommendations. Every flow is visual, drag and drop, and endlessly customizable. The reporting dashboard shows exactly how much revenue each message brings in, which makes it easy to measure your return. Now let's talk about Drip. Drip has positioned itself as the email marketing tool built specifically for growing e-commerce stores. It is lighter, simpler, and slightly more affordable for smaller lists, but it still offers serious automation power. What makes Drip stand out is how user-friendly it feels. The interface is clean, visual, and built for marketers who want results without spending hours managing campaigns. Drip's biggest strength is its focus on relationships. The platform lets you tag and track every subscriber based on actions they take, like viewing a product, clicking a link, or making a purchase. Then, you can trigger automated messages based on those behaviors, keeping your emails relevant and timely. Drip also integrates seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms, and it handles segmentation beautifully, even if your audience is small but engaged. In short, Klaviyo is the expert tool for brands ready to scale aggressively, while Drip is the approachable partner for stores that want simplicity and strong returns with less complexity. Both can deliver impressive results when used consistently and strategically. If your store is ready to personalize every customer journey and push revenue to the next level, Klaviyo gives you the depth to make that happen. If you want a tool that keeps things efficient, easy, and effective, Drip is a smart investment. Either way, both platforms prove that well-timed, well-written emails remain one of the highest return marketing channels for any online store.